Thank you. I'm really excited to be here. I had a question about vibrational matches. You talk about when you're a vibrational match to it, like, do certain things have vibrational matches, or is it just like, I don't like red cars for me, so that doesn't have a high vibration for me, but for somebody else it might have a high vibration?
Well, that's why we say you have to feel your way through it, because activities or words or experiences are different for everyone. In other words, you all have different combinations of desires, and that's why your guidance system is only answering your combination. It's not answering anyone else's combination. That's why guiding yourself from the inside by following your own bliss, by reaching for the thoughts that feel good to you, is the best process, rather than trying to guide yourself from a perspective of what others think. Mm-hmm. Because you do have a unique approach to your life. You do have unique preferences that your life experience has brought to you. And while you do have harmony with others on many of these points, you are a unique desirer.
Okay.
And the universe is answering your specific, unique desires.
I was noticing when Jerry's talking and people are laughing, it felt like a high vibration. So when we're in there, then we're in a match for our unique desires. Is that what you're...
Anytime you feel good, you are in the place of letting in your unique desires.
Okay.
Those are perfect words that you've offered here. And so here's how it works. Your experience wherever you are is causing you to uniquely specify your individual personal preferences. And they are exuding from you on all levels at all times. And source, universe, God, whatever you're wanting to call this receptive source energy, is aware of what you are wanting and reflecting it back to you in the moment of your request. And it is a steady stream that is eternally offered. And any time along the way, you can step into it or out of it, into it or out of it. You can allow it or resist it, allow it or resist it. But it's a steady stream. It's sort of like the electricity is always rolling through your walls. And even though there is nothing plugged in, it is there ready for you. And when you plug in, it's there. In other words, you don't have to start it all over again. You don't have to go out and figure out the resources and make it happen. It's there. It's a steady current, always there, ready to fulfill through the crack of least resistance, which is the negative way of saying the space of most allowance. But it's the same thing. It just depends which side of that you're on, you see. And the better you feel, the more you're allowing. The worse you feel, the more you're resisting.
So with I just think of my issue with dollars. And that word issue, but
doesn't matter the word, it's your issue. You have something activated there.
So it's just as simple as virtual reality, getting in those places, and those things tend to deactivate when we
It's as simple as meditation, which stops the vibration of resistance. It's as simple as appreciation, which stops the vibration of resistance. It's as simple as a virtual reality, which deliberately practices the vibration of allowing. It's as simple as looking for the positive. It's as simple as reaching for a thought that feels better. It's as simple as quieting your mind. It's as simple as remembering a happy thought. But it's all about directing the thought for what intent?
Feel good.
As long as you understand that it's all about the way you feel. But until you understand that, then you're lost in this maze of deciphering subjects and deciding what desires are worthy. In other words, until you reach the place where you say, nothing is more important than that I feel good. Because when I feel good, I'm in the place of allowing my source and all that I have deemed desirable.
Thank you for the contrast and this is the way I want to feel.
When we say thank you for the contrast, we don't mean thank you for the contrast, I'll get over it soon. Yeah. We mean thank you for the clarity. We mean thank you for the ability to decide. We mean thank you for this focusing mechanism. We mean thank you for this stance that gives me the intelligence to understand the platform of creation that I am on, and the clarity with which I can choose my personal preferences. This is big. That's like going to a buffet with one thing. Oh, we're going to a Sunday buffet. It's Mother's Day. Oh, here we have olive. I thought there'd be more. No, we took a vote and everyone likes olives. But it was the only thing that everyone liked. So there were 1,000 people that voted, and somebody didn't like everything else. That's the only thing that survived. So this is the new Sunday buffet.
It's a good one. Yeah.
And if you had the ability, you would attempt to do the whole universe that way. There'd be a black car and an olive.